This is something else which is made our childhood really amusing. So this is iPod Shuffle, which has released in September 2012. So it has really good looks and good number of colors has been released after day by. So the processor type, if we can talk, that it is Samsung ARM. The battery, if we can talk about the battery, if like it will give 15 hours plus. By pressing this switch, you can turn the music player on, and the song will be playing automatically until you push the middle to pause button. The capacity of storage is 2 GB. It's quite improved a lot than third generation to second generation. So there would be more than 500 songs capacity. About 3 hours to be a full charge of this shuffle.